Bikini in the studio this morning from the SEK Humane Society, and she has brought Layla. Hi. Layla's waiting for her treat. There we go. Hey, can you look at the camera over here?
Sit.
Yeah.
Look that way.
Come here. Come here. Yeah. Oh, I don't have a treat in my hand. I don't have a treat. What kind of dog is Layla?
So she's a blue heeler mix.
A blue heeler mix. Can you tell us a little bit about her?
Yeah, so she came in pretty recently. She was just an owner's surrender, but it was no fault to her own. So she is just a sweet girl looking for her home. She does great with other dogs, very friendly and very sweet, knows a couple of commands, but she is a 2-year-old blue heeler mix.
2-year-old blue heeler mix? Okay. Do you get a lot of owner surrenders?
We do get quite a few. It just really depends on the situation.
Okay. All right. So you've had her just for a little while?
Yeah, we've had her for maybe a week now.
Okay. You guys have quite a few dogs. I wanted to share some pictures of a couple of other dogs that you have out there right now. If we could pop some of those up.
That is Bounce. Yeah, she is a 3-year-old pitty mix. She's a very sweet girl. She actually is our lobby dog right now, so she just kind of hangs out with us every day. But she does great with cats. She's actually befriended one of our lobby cats. And then she also does well with small children and other dogs as well.
Okay. Who else do we have?
That is Moki and Flutterbug. So they are a mom and daughter combo. They would have to go to a home together. They are a bonded pair. Just because Flutterbug was born with a neurological disorder, so she kind of walks funny and gets very stressed out easily if she's away from her mom for too long.
Okay. So you got a little pair there. That's okay. So tell me, did these dogs already have these names, or did you name them?
They did not. So we named them. I can't remember the show that we named them after, but I believe it was after a little puppet show. And I just thought Flutterbug was so fitting for how she walked. She's just kind of goofy, but we just picked a little goofy name for her.
Okay. And let's see. You guys have a big event that's starting Friday, actually, a national adoption event.
Yes, so that is from the Best Friends Animal Society. They are actually waiving all dog and cat adoption fees. They will be reduced down to just $20 this weekend, starting Friday at noon.
Okay. All right. You guys have anything else exciting going on over there at the Humane Society right now?
We have Art Walk coming up here in the next couple weeks, and then we have Bark in the Park next month as well.
All right, and I know that's a big return event.
Oh yeah, we're very excited for this year.
It's been in the planning for some time. Okay, so when we come back in our Fox show, we're going to talk more about the Art Walk and what you guys have planned for that.
Okay.
And hopefully we can have Layla back in the studio too.
Oh yeah.
Her exciting dog here.
You
All right, we'll be right back.